Sony. Welcome.
Hello, Fatah. Thank you. Thank you for calling me.
Great. And congratulations on your progress, first of all. Right.
Thank you so
And
much.
it would be great to know from you, like, if you can briefly describe before joining Passionpreneur mentorship, right? What were the challenges or the problems that you were facing?
Sure, Fatah. So, yeah, before joining the program, I was definitely a confused person. I was trading time for money, no freedom at all, totally dependent on my, appraisal cycles for the monetary hike, and completely juggling between my work and life, personal life and professional life. So, this was the kind of life I was leading before joining to the Passionpreneur program.
And what motivated you to join this Passionpreneur mentorship?
So definitely the tagline of Gurudev, like, freedom from 9 to 5 job, that was the attraction. But yes, it gave me a ray of hope that, I can learn something which can give me tangible results. And that helped me to join here to understand that, if I learn something new, definitely I can monetize it. So that, confidence gave me that ray of hope, and I joined this program to go forward in my life.
And what specific part of our program did you find most beneficial?
So especially when we are talking, when in the program we have talked about personal transformation. So what do you think about yourself? And what do you talk to yourself when nobody is around you? Also, how to raise your energy levels. You should be at the level of some around, higher levels, higher energy zones, because the energy is equivalent to the money and the life you want to live. So these are terms were very, very peculiar to me. I was not at all aware of these facts. So these gave me a huge confidence, and also the relationship with money, how to get connected spiritually. These things were, it was a kind of bundle that we received during this program. So these are all the benefits that I received in this program.
And can you share a specific example of a win or a bang that you achieved as a result?
Sure. So it was my pleasure in my corporate world as well. People used to talk to me because, especially females who are going through the same phase which I was into, they used to talk to me during their swam phases, and I used to help them through come out of that zone. So that was the one thing which I never thought of, that I could maybe making money out of this. And today, this is the a bang for me, that I'm able to monetize that passion by helping females who are just my previous versions.
And how much were you able to monetize from there by coaching these people?
Yeah, so initially during the program, the ticket size was low. I monetized 10K that time, but then I raised the price, and uh, first batch it was 40K, and so far I have totally monetized 1,70,000.
Wow, that's amazing. Your bang is really inspiring, right? And how has this bang or the win impacted or helped you in your professional or personal life?
Yeah, so Fatah, it boosted my confidence to another level. It helped me realize that, I am not the someone who is dependent on appraisal cycles to get the monetary hike. It is all inside me. Whatever number, whatever figure I want to achieve in terms of money, it is my, effort and my hardship that can make me win that, achieve that. So that confidence came into me, and I'm really enjoying this phase.
And now that you know, you don't have to go through any appraisal cycle to
Absolutely
or
no.
hike to actually get anything that you need.
Definitely. Yeah, I understand that, universe is everything. Just throw your message to the in universe and keep on taking actions. Your actions and your guardian as a universe, they will fulfill our dreams.
And in Passionpreneurs, we believe in exceeding the expectations. So, what was the
Absolutely.
biggest surprise or unexpected benefit that you found after joining the Passionpreneur Mastermind?
Yeah. So Fatah, first is my relationship with myself and family that really changed. And my confidence to say no to others, and especially to those opinions who really doesn't matter to me. That is the one thing, surprise factor for me, which I really achieved. So I'm able to balance within the yes and no of my life. So this is one good thing, one surprise that I was also not aware of, that, I will be so open and so transparent in saying these things in a polite way. Because we are always in a under impression, like, what people will think, log kya kahenge if I say no. But now how to, translate those sentences from no to a yes in such a way that, for both the people, it's a win-win situation. So this is a good learning for me.
Great. And we are proud of the unique approach that we have in Passionpreneur Mastermind, right? So can you describe how this mentorship is different or better than any other resources you have tried in your past?
Yes, definitely. So I can bang upon three things, especially when we're talking about passionpreneur mentorship. So this is something which talks about holistic development of a person. It's not only, money related, that you are going to only, this is not a program which you can only join for money. It's for holistic development. And secondly, if you, this program gives you numerous breakthroughs, which will make you realize the factors where you are lacking in your life. So there is a huge scope of improvement. You will be able to know what you are lacking that you need to work upon. And third, what we can see, what I can say, that there are ample opportunities existing in the universe, but we don't have those eyes to see those opportunities. So once we develop those phases and we are able to see that opportunity, this mentorship program is something which will help you to squeeze a single bit of that opportunity and make it a success.
Wow. And would you recommend this Passionpreneur mentorship program to others? If so, what would you actually say to them?
Definitely, this is a program which is required, a must thing for everyone, a must for every individual, not even for those who are only looking for secondary source of income or maybe want to quit 9 to 5 job, but also for those individuals who really want to come out of their current situation and go to the next level in their life. So be it money, be it personal relationship, be it a success, becoming success as a leader, for every role, every opportunity in the life that you have, this program is a must. And because a mentor is someone who will never leave your hand, because they have already walked the path and they will help you by giving the right path to achieve the success, and also will help you or prevent you from the pitfalls of life.
Right, that's right. And congratulations once again on your transformation. Now, if you have to describe the transformation that you have experienced, how would you describe that?
Okay, so this transformation was completely a roller coaster ride. Initially, we have butterflies in stomach when we see others, flying and achieving success, but you are not. But then, yeah, this environment is so positive, which keep you bonded here and help you to grow. So you have ample opportunities, and whenever you just go and reach out to anyone, they're happy to help you. So this is how this amazing journey was so much connected to my heart that I always recommended everyone that I met. And this environment, this community is such an essential element of life, which we are missing in the outside world. So that's why this transformation and this journey is essential to every individual. And to have a mentor in the life is a blessing, because without the mentorship, you will definitely reach to a level, but to go to another level, to reach out to the next level, you definitely need a mentorship.
Wonderful. And we are excited now about your future, Soni. So what's your next goal and how does it align with whatever you are learning here or whatever you have learned till now in Passionpreneur mentorship?
So yeah, as I talked about, I love helping women who are especially working mothers, struggling between their life, personal, professional life, completely into a dilemma situation, what to do, because somehow they feel a guilt inside their heart that they're not able to spend time with their kids, their loved ones. So yes, I am helping them to overcome first that guilt feeling. And because we have learned money is spiritual. So earning money is not a bad course of action for the females who, women or working mothers. So definitely by leading an example and coming out of that comfort zone can only make them, enable them, and also help their children to look up to them as a leader. So for them to understand themselves what they need, and for them to respect themselves, to gain respect from others is very, very important. So these are the teachings that I learned here, and I would like to definitely pour them out to the world and help many females who were like my past version.
That's a wonderful thought, and all the best for whatever you are looking to achieve in terms of impacting and serving others. So thank you for being here and have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that.
Come.